Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Amundi Asset Management Review My Usage Experience. Amundi Asset Management Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for evaluating the performance and risk of Amundi's various investment funds. It's primarily targeted towards financial advisors, institutional investors, and sophisticated individual investors who want to research and compare different investment options offered by Amundi. Key features likely include fund fact sheets, performance data, risk assessments, and potentially comparative analysis tools. Their website provides details on specific offerings. Amundi's website highlights their comprehensive range of investment strategies and their commitment to transparency. They emphasize the ease of accessing key performance indicators and risk metrics for their funds. Pricing is typically embedded within the investment itself, so there are no separate fees for using their review platform. Availability is global, though specific fund offerings may vary by region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Amundi Asset Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply navigated to their website and accessed the relevant fund information. The interface was initially a bit overwhelming due to the sheer amount of data presented, but once I familiarized myself with the layout, it became much easier to navigate. I used their comparison tool to analyze the performance of several equity funds over different time horizons. The quality of the data was excellent, and the presentation was clear and well organized, using charts and graphs effectively. I was particularly impressed by their detailed explanations of each fund's investment strategy and risk profile. I had a quick question about the methodology used for calculating risk, and their support team responded within 2 business days via email. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download data in various formats for further analysis. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive charting features, making it slightly less visually engaging than some competitor platforms. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Amundi Asset Management Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful tool for in-depth analysis, even if it has a slightly steep learning curve initially. That's my overview of Amundi Asset Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.